Good morning. This is Candy with Suburb Service on Baltha Way. I'm here in my office, and today we want to discuss some really exciting news we have. You'll read about this on our Facebook page and on the website. Suburb Service is now going to be offering on our head gasket replacement a lifetime non-transferable warranty on the head gasket portion only against external leakage of oil and or coolant. Now, the way that this will work is if for some reason during your lifetime of owning the car, the head gaskets begin to leak externally, oil or coolant, we will replace them for free as long as you are the owner of the car. It is not transferable. Now, this does not pertain to any other seals and gaskets, just the head gaskets, and it does not pertain to if you overheat the car or leave a check engine light on or don't change the oil. When we do your head gaskets, we give you 4 free oil changes. We'd like to have you change your oil every 3 months or 3,000 miles, whichever comes first. That way we can keep an eye on everything that's happening, seals and gasket-wise, head gasket-wise, internal, make sure there's no problems. If you don't take care of the car and the engine overheats, then the head gaskets will not be warranted. The next portion that we want to discuss is a 3-year, 30,000 mile warranty on all of the other seals and gaskets on the car. Cam seals, front main seals, rear main seals. If those were begin to leak during this 3-year, 30,000 mile warranty period, we would replace those under warranty also. Now, in order to be eligible for any kind of warranty consideration, the car must be brought back to Suburb Service, and then we'll inspect it, and you're more than welcome to stand here while we inspect it so you can see what's happening. This also will pertain to all of our other stuff that we do, brakes, suspension, exhaust, emissions work, that type of stuff. It will not pertain to clutches, brake rotors, or anything that I can't control how people drive their car. And unfortunately, you live in Seattle, and so it's all stop-and-go traffic. I know a lot of you tell me, well, I drive the freeway. Well, for the most part, you get to go maybe 30, 35 miles an hour on the freeway. So, lifetime extended warranty on the head gaskets only. And please keep in mind, we don't use Subaru's head gaskets. You can read about 6-Star on the internet. You can read about it on our website. That's the product that we use when we redo the head gaskets in your car. All the other seals and gaskets are Subaru, genuine Subaru parts. So, head gasket warranty, lifetime, non-transferable against external leakage. The other warranty is now 3 years or 30,000 miles on all the other parts that we use. So, great news here at Suburb Service, and we hope to see you in the future. Drive safe, have a great summer, don't text and drive, and that's the end of my story. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.